Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Covet Fashion. This works on iOS and Android, so you get unlimited resources. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So what you want to do is go to hexmods.com. This site has like a bunch of modded apps, and as you can see, there's Covet Fashion. If you can't find it, you can always go ahead and search it up. So as you can see, it says unlimited diamonds. So just press the download button, and it's going to start downloading right here. So let's just wait for it to download. So this is a usually pretty good download, but anyway, before you actually get your Covet Fashion hack, you are going to have to do a verification. So you need to download two apps to complete the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're completely free. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys. Now the thing people will do is they'll download 2 of the apps and they won't read the instructions. So Alibaba says down and run for 30 seconds. Richie down, install, complete 5k coins. So you need to actually do the instructions. So it will take you to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it will take you to the App Store. You download the apps, you're good to go. So once you do this verification, you make sure you do 2 of them. You will get the Covet Fashion hack, guys. This actually works. As you can see, I got unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like to play Covet Fashion, because this actually works, guys. And it is super awesome. You know, I've been like a Covet Fashion aficionado, but I'm always trying to get like hacks and stuff, so it actually does work. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get a working Covet Fashion hack in 2025. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it fully works, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Subscribe, tell your friends about this method. It's super cool and it fully works, guys. So yeah, peace out, bro.